What's up, y'all? I am back with another video. Yes, that's right, your girl Paisley is the it's like, no, but okay, seriously, I'm back and I came to review the Juvias Place foundation and concealer. Very highly anticipated. Everybody has been DMing me asking me to do a review on the product. It's bomb, okay. Do tell, do blend, but yeah, it's super bomb. I love it. It was super easy to work with. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to attempt to do a full face, but I didn't really get to do that, so to speak, because I seen an eyeshadow look that I really loved, so I tried that with it as well. But yeah, so the foundation itself, I love the packaging. Packaging is super cute, super different. It comes with how much? A whole fluid ounce, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. It's called, they describe it as a velvety matte foundation. It's full coverage. It says apply it with a wet beauty sponge or a synthetic makeup brush with a sweeping buffing motion all over your face. I did both. I did not use their brush because I didn't purchase it. I was afraid to purchase it because I'm used to what I know. I have to get out of my comfort zone. I know you all want to see things like that, so I'm gonna get better. But no, I did not order the brush. I used my Real Techniques and my Beauty Blender. It has a shelf life of 24 months. The concealer, wow, that's a lot of concealer. This is, wow, this is actually lesser than what's in here, but it seems like it will be more, so to speak. But it's 0.34 ounces, which is 10 milliliters. This has a shelf life of 12 months. Who follows the shelf life? But anyways, I'm rambling. If you all want to see how I got this look, how that Juvia's Place foundation did for us, stay tuned, poo. Stay tuned, poo. Stay tuned. Hi, everybody. Okay, so let's just get right into it. A couple of things before we start. Please don't mind my eyebrows. I've been trying to like grow them out since a bad experience. I tried to go to somebody different and they messed me up. So tried to grow my eyebrows back. So I was supposed to go today, but I felt like I was doing too much. I needed to film a video. So, you know, she's gonna make a little appearance today or whatever. And also my auntie is in town, okay? She always has to make an appearance. She always has to let everybody know that she's in here. But you know what? We're just gonna move past that, okay? We're gonna move past that. But anyways, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I've tried the foundation already and it is super duper matte. So the first time I tried it, because I seen the reviews and people were saying that it was matte, so I'm just gonna moisturize my skin before I put on my primer. And I'm gonna just use the Pond's Old Faithful Pond's, and I'm just gonna moisturize my skin. My skin has been doing so much better, y'all. Oh my god, I've been struggling, and I think we're gonna hope that it works. But I think, oh, okay, I don't want my lace to be exposed yet. Becca Poreless Primer. I always like to put like a moisturizer underneath it because this primer is so matte and so dry. I'm running out. Oh, there she goes. So matte and so dry, so I like to warm this up. And because this foundation is super matte, it's gonna give me a semi-matte primer base, since I put the moisturizer on underneath. So it's not gonna be like so matte that it's gonna look like drying, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera. So it's gonna be magic, okay? I'm gonna go here, and if you want an updated brow tutorial, then let me know in the comments down below and I will get that to you. Okay, so we're back and we have brows on. So, all right, so let's get into this review of the Juvia's Place foundation, what we've all been waiting for. I've already done my eyes and my eyebrows. Let me zoom out. So now we can focus on face. Okay, so I bought 3 different colors. Because I'm gonna contour with the other ones. I bought Zaria, Kenya, and Kampala, but if it becomes too red or whatever for me, then I'll just neutral it out with some concealer. So don't call for me in them comments, okay? In my Santana voice. But this is Kampala. Alright, so this is Kampala. Can y'all see that? Kampala is more of my skin tone color, but it's really neutral. This one is Kenya. Y'all, this is probably all you need to do your own face. That's how thick it is, and it's super full coverage. And then this is Zaria. Over my face with Kampala. And let's just get into it, okay? Okay, so now that we have on full face of foundation, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. All I bought was the color 15. This is the color 15. It's actually a little bit too light for me, for my liking, because I don't like a super duper highlight. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty as well to bring it back down some notches. So a little Fenty. To bring in that reddish undertone for me. So I feel like with me, it's harder for me to match my skin tone rather than my clients. If you're a makeup artist and you're following me, let me know if that's the case with you. I feel like it's harder to match myself rather than clients. I don't know why that is. You really don't need that much of this one. I don't know why that is, but it is. I find it so hard to match myself rather than clients. I probably just went super cross-eyed. Then I like to use my Real Techniques brush. This is the setting brush that they have. And I like to, that's how I like to blend out my concealer, just by pushing it into the skin. So far, y'all, the perfect, this foundation and concealer have to go together. I feel like they go really well with each other, and I'm loving it. I look airbrushed. It's so pretty and goes on so smooth, like imperfections where. I'm loving it. I feel like this is gonna be like my everyday foundation and concealer combo. I just have to purchase a darker color for the concealer. See, like for the most part, I put the concealer in my forehead. That's too bright for me, y'all. I can't. I have to have like a subtle highlight. Like I don't like the really bright highlighting. That's not for me. It's just not my steez. It's not my steez, poo. Okay, so far it feels really lightweight. Even though the foundation itself is like super thick, it feels super lightweight. Yeah, it feels amazing on my skin. It doesn't even feel like heavy. You know, sometimes when you get your makeup done, you feel like super duper heavy. I don't feel like that because I guess I didn't use that much, and then, you know, but it feels super lightweight. Yeah, it felt like that when I used it the other day too, but because I put on a different base this time, I thought it was gonna feel a little different since I put on more product, but it really feels good. Okay, so next I'm gonna continue with my normal routine. I'm gonna set underneath my eyes with my Laura Mercier. I'll make sure everything's blended, and then I'm just gonna go in. Now I'm gonna go with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. And set my face around the perimeters. And with that same brush that I use for my concealers and to set underneath my eye, and I'm gonna use medium tan by MAC and dark. So I'm gonna use my Black Radiance palette and my contour shades to go around the perimeters of my face. Okay, I am busy and your girl got the little shoulder out, a little one soon. I finished my face, I set it and put my gloss on off camera. But overall, I absolutely love this foundation. Love the concealer. It doesn't crease. I think that it gives me the what does it give, like the Tarte Shape Tape consistency. Love Shape Tape. Okay, so it's giving Shape Tape a run for their money. So that is that, and I think she will be in my personal kit and also in my clientele kit. Thank you all so much for watching. I know I'm not, you know, I haven't been consistent. I'm getting better with it. I am, and I know I sound so redundant because every time I say that I go disappearing, but y'all don't understand how hard it is to be a YouTube person and connect with you all and have 2 kids that are toddlers, okay? Because by the time they go to sleep, I'm ready to go to sleep, okay? But I love you all so much, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Tell all your friends to come and see me, girl. That'll give me more motivation because my last video, y'all played me. Y'all played me. Y'all only gave me 1,000 views, okay? We don't like that over here, baby, okay? We don't do that. So I need y'all to support me, like my videos, comment down below and let me know what you all want to see next, and let me know what y'all think of this look, okay? Because I'm feeling it. This is out of the box for me and I'm feeling it, okay? Period. I love y'all so much, my babies. Mwah. See y'all later.